I'm Dr. Dave Armstrong. I'm a low vision optometrist in Virginia. Stargardt disease occurs in only about 1 person out of 8 to 10,000. Here in Virginia, where I live, there may be only less than 1,000 people with Stargardt. Most optometrists and ophthalmologists rarely see someone with Stargardt disease. Because of my interest in helping these people and my understanding of telescopic and microscopic glasses and other helpful devices, hardly a week goes by that I don't help someone with Stargardt disease. This YouTube channel, Stargardt Eye Doc, is all about helping you understand what's available to help people with Stargardt disease and juvenile macular degeneration see better. After many years of helping people with Stargardt disease see the best that they're capable of, I understand how low vision affects their life and impacts their daily activities. I understand that you don't go to your eye doctor wanting to be tested and monitored. You go because you want to see better. Watch these videos and learn how that can be done. There are many types of low vision glasses that help people with these conditions see the best that they're capable of so that they can lead more active, independent, and enjoyable lives. These videos will help you understand what's available and how to obtain it. Helping someone with Stargardt disease see better involves 3 important components. First, I need to understand your vision loss and how it impacts your daily life. Second, at the low vision appointment, I'll evaluate your vision with various low vision glasses to determine what best suits your needs, always keeping in mind the activities that are most important to you and how to achieve your goals. And third, I'll make recommendations, demonstrate what I've found that will be helpful to you, and you get to choose what you want to do. It all begins with a telephone consultation. I'll ask you a few questions about your remaining vision and what are the activities that are most important that you'd like my help with. By asking you these questions, I'll be able to tell you whether low vision glasses will be helpful to you and whether they will allow you to meet your goals. So give me a call at 866-321-2030 for a no obligation telephone consultation. I'll be looking for your call. Thanks.